Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Kraken. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable dark mode on Kraken, firstly open up your Kraken application. The official page of Kraken application will appear on the screen. Tap on Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now to enable dark mode on Kraken, tap on Theme option. You can see there are three options: Light, Dark and Auto. Tap on Dark option to enable dark mode on Kraken. This is how you can enable dark mode on Kraken application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.